All right, in this explainer, we're diving into something that, let's be honest, sounds a little too good to be true. A system that promises you can earn passive income for just $1. We're going to dig into a 45-day expert test to see if it's the real deal or just hype. I mean, seriously, think about that for a second. The idea that you can start making passive income for less than you'd pay for a pack of gum, is that even possible? Well, that's exactly what we're here to find out. It's a really bold claim, for sure, but we're not just going to take their word for it. Nope. We're going to break down a methodical 45-day test run by a digital income specialist to get the real story. Okay, so first things first, let's look at what they're actually promising. What are you supposed to get for that single dollar? It all boils down to this concept of done-for-you income. And now for the fun part. Let's see how an expert, someone who does this stuff for a living, put this whole system under the microscope for a solid month and a half. So what even is the $1 cash system? Well, at its heart, it's a done-for-you, or DFY, affiliate marketing setup. In plain English, that means you pay your dollar, and then the company that created it handles literally all the promotion for you. You don't have to find any customers, you don't have to run any ads, they do all the heavy lifting. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth would they do all that for just $1? And that's a great question. It's a classic business move. Get you in the door with a super low risk offer, hoping that once you're in, you'll eventually buy some of their more expensive products down the road. And get this, the setup process is unbelievably simple. It takes about 15 minutes. You buy in, and you're instantly approved, which, by the way, is a huge deal for beginners, because a lot of affiliate programs just turn them away. Then, you just grab your unique affiliate link, the special link that tracks your sales, and you just submit it right back to them. That's it. You're done. And here's the real hook. You earn 100% of the commission on that first sale, and you didn't have to do any of the advertising yourself. The whole thing is designed to completely remove the biggest hurdles that usually stop people from getting started. So, that's the promise. It sounds pretty good on paper, but did it actually deliver? Let's get to the juicy part, the results of that 45-day test. Let's look at the numbers. First up, the total investment. Just like they promised, the total cost to get started and run this for the entire 45 days was exactly $1. The financial risk here is, well, about as low as it could possibly be. And what about the return? Over those 45 days, the system generated $87.50 in commission. Now, the main takeaway here isn't the amount, it's the fact that it did make real money from that single dollar. But this is the headline number. That $1 investment turned into an 8,650% return on investment. Yeah, you heard that right. Now, of course, we're not talking about life-changing money here, but as a pure percentage, that's just massive. And it wasn't just the experts' test finding success. The review pointed to testimonials from real users, like this one from Sarah, a busy mom who said she was shocked that it actually worked, making her $23 in the very first week. This really shows you who this system is built for. An ROI that high sounds absolutely incredible, but it's not the whole story. So now it's time for a little reality check. Let's get into the pros and the cons. This comparison chart from the review is super helpful. Just look at the $1 system compared to traditional affiliate marketing. The cost is $1 versus maybe hundreds. The skill needed is basically none versus a lot. And the time investment is 15 minutes one time versus 10 or more hours every single week. It's clear this thing isn't trying to compete. It's in a category all its own. So, what were the big wins here? Well, it's genuinely passive. The risk is pretty much non-existent. It's perfect for newbies. And crucially, the review found the traffic they send is from real people, not fake bots. And that instant affiliate approval, for a beginner, that's a total game changer. But, of course, there are downsides. The income isn't consistent, so you can't count on it like a paycheck. You can't really scale it up to earn a whole lot more, and you are 100% dependent on the vendor's promotions. You have zero control. And that really goes back to their business model, right? They control the traffic, so you're basically just playing in their sandbox. Okay, so when you put all that together, the good and the bad, what's the final verdict? Who is the system really for? And the bottom line from the review is crystal clear. The system actually does what it says it will. It's a real way for complete beginners to see some results. But let's be real, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme by any stretch of the imagination. So, who's the perfect person for this?
According to this analysis, it's for absolute beginners who just want to dip their toes in the water of affiliate marketing. Think busy students, parents with no free time, or really anyone who has no tech skills and doesn't want to risk any money.
And just as important, who should probably skip this? Well, if you're already an experienced marketer, or if you're looking to build a big, scalable business, this isn't for you. And if you're the kind of person who wants complete control over your marketing and traffic, you're going to want to pass on this one. Which really brings everything back to a final, simple question. This system isn't about getting rich. It's about getting started. It's about getting that first taste of success. So you just have to ask yourself, is a proven, super low-risk start in the world of online income worth $1 to you? Because that's what it all boils down to.